Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Drew. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I made my own acrylic calendar for half the price. Yes, half the price. I'll put a screenshot of the calendar I was interested in buying, but when I saw the price, even on sale, I said, no, I'll make my own. Thank you. Okay, so D is cutting the acrylic with his track saw because it comes in a 24 by 48 sheet, which is this one. I don't have footage of me adding the lines and the letters just because I was working so fast and late that I forgot to record. But I do have footage of the rest of the project. Like here, I'm adding the L brackets to the acrylic. Everything, I forgot to mention, everything is mirrored. So when you messing with the acrylic, make sure everything is mirrored because all of this is in back of the calendar. Okay, here's a pic of me deciding on the font and how it will look. Here, I'm just cleaning the acrylic because I'm going to add the months of the year now. On sizing, I did a 18 by 32 on the days of the week, the length and the width. So there's a 2-inch gap on each side and the bottom, except where the months are going to be. That's 4 inches. So whenever you're installing a large vinyl decal, I suggest you try out the hinge method. It was so easy to do with that method. I will show y'all here in a minute. So here's D installing the window film. So basically you add soapy water in a bottle and spray the film and the acrylic. As you install it, you can it gives you like leeway to move it around and position it, and then slowly pull the water underneath with a squeegee. As you can see here, D is slowly moving it around each letter. Okay, here we are spraying the acrylic and the film. As we install, we place the film down, you move it around and place it where you want it. D just adding more water, soapy water, just to make sure it has enough. As you can see, we are slowly moving section per section. We started in the middle and moving out as you can see here. Don't go fast or anything, just go slow in between the lines and the brackets and the letters. Just go very slow, pushing everything out. And here's the final product. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Here you can tell that the film didn't catch on because this is layers upon layers. The lines are on top of each other. And remember, all this is in back of the calendar, in back of the acrylic. So it can be easily wiped from the front, which that's what I wanted, but I knew that this was gonna happen. I don't know how you can probably avoid that. Maybe if you go line per line or something like that, and I wasn't gonna do all that, but I have a few air bubbles, as you can see, but it doesn't bother me. I think it looks great. And stay tuned, there's still a lot more content. I still have to finish the remodeling video of the office, so stay tuned for that.